It smells like a new camera to me.
2:30, baby, won't you meet me by the beam? Too early, maybe later, you could show me things.
Hi, you're bundled up. This is so cute on him. Oh, people he did to me, y'all. I thought he was giving me a kiss, but obviously not. It's kind of going down though, so that's good. Say hey, Jams. Burrito tacos. So why did I order a small queso? And this is what they gave me. Literally a small queso with a small bag of chips for the queso. I ordered my first ever Amazon Fresh order this morning. Let's get into it. I think I ordered maybe 27 items, but I'm about to unbox this real quick because it is a lot of perishable items. Mainly I ordered breakfast food and something to make burgers with later. I feel like oh, are you pooping? It's like, why are you calling me out on camera? But I just really woke up. I didn't go to sleep till like 1 something and it's like 10 a.m. So yeah, let's get going. I have to edit today. Today is Saturday and I want to edit that first week of Vlogmas so that I can post it. This is the burgers, half and half, OJ. Turkey bacon and regular bacon. Oh, some of them have like this aluminum in the inside, and some have this brown paper bag. Double fries, and Arby's fries, syrup, grits, mustard, mayo, honey. We got eggs, tomatoes, bananas. These bananas look really good. I said I was only going to get like 3 to 4 or 4 to 5, but that's actually 6 on there for the same price. My bread is kind of smushed. The weight on this says 8 pounds and it definitely feels like it. Girl, why does it look like that? It's literally the dirt still in there. Oh my God, this is expired. Why would they give me some expired stuff? This says December 1st. Today is December 6th, I think. Today is Saturday. So they literally gave me some expired stuff. Now I gotta check everything to make sure nothing is expired. Then we got turkey sausage patties. A pear for Jax. It looks pretty good. Jax loves pears, y'all. There's not too many food items that he likes, so when he likes something, I have to really, make sure I get it for him. My mom put me on this. It's so good, y'all. Strawberry cheesecake yogurt. This is the only yogurt I will eat. I don't like yogurt at all, but I can eat this one. And since I exclusively breastfeed, I want to make sure that I always, have enough protein. So we got cheese, mustard, and Gouda, and butter. Last but not least, we have Parmesan. So I'm about to check all these expiration dates because if they gave me one thing that was expired, it's no telling. So let's get into that. My breakfast for today. Meanwhile, Jax is opening up all the cabinets. Oop, let's slide out of there. Oop. I'm gonna go open it over here. If you haven't already, start watching this. Really good show. I'm 2 episodes in. Hi. Say hi, Granny. So I made 2 different meals. Jax was so patient while mommy cooked. He's going to try a tomato for the first time. Don't drop it, baby. You already making a face like. Yummy. We're having burgers tonight. Jax and I just woke up from the best nap ever. The best. And now I'm gonna make burgers and then take a shower and I'm going to bed. I forgot to show y'all. So I had some stuff from GoPuff delivered. I used to shop here all the time when I lived in the city, but it's this. And I just got, I didn't even realize it was a big bag. I think it was like 2 for $6. Y'all know I love a good deal. I heard these are real good, so I decided to get some. I got 2 of these. I'm eating them now, and they're really good. It's just a weird texture, consistency type thing. And then I got peach. I love peach and mango flavor. So he can be okay. I love these type of fries, like shoestring fries. He would literally just open a cabinet and then walk away. I'm going full speed. You closing it? Good job. Thank you. Close it back. I'm gonna close it for you, okay? Every time I start plating, he gets ready for me to pick him up. Luckily, he gave me just enough time. Yes, I put eggs and bacon on my burger. If you know, you know. If you don't, now you know. Currently making breakfast. I really should have used this yesterday instead of using pots, because this is like 10 times easier. You can cook everything on here. Minus the grits, of course, but bacon, turkey patty sausage, and I'm going to make the eggs. All right, breakfast is ready. So I did put honey on it. I only put a little bit of honey on mine because I'm going to give this to Jax. And yeah, turkey bacon, turkey sausage, eggs, and bananas with OJ. I forgot to tell y'all yesterday that after I ate that burger, I literally took a shower, went to sleep. I was so tired. And I think I ate at around like 9 p.m. I try to go to sleep around 10. Jax like to be asleep around 8:30. So it's really up to him. Jax, you want a banana? Jax, you want this? He's like, Miss Rachel on, I don't know. Come on. You said I'm going the other way. Jax, he just went down. No, leave the trash alone. Come over here. You want this? Banana? He's like, I want the trash. That's what was in the trash that you seen. It's slippery. You got to be careful. Let me help you. Okay. He's like, oh no. He might throw it on the ground. Oh, yeah. You got it. Good job. You trying to throw it in the trash? Nap time. I asked for extra sauce on my chicken pasta, and they gave me it like this. Good morning. So, I just figured out why Jax has been, I won't say he's been bite. He bit me once within like, he don't really bite, but he bit me once and I noticed. And I think he bit my mom once, I believe. But not like too hard, but enough to notice. This baby got 2 more teeth coming in. And I don't know if it's normal to have 2 teeth at a time, but he always gets 2 at a time, y'all. So I was just singing, well, I was counting to 10 in English and Spanish, and he was like belly laughing to the point where I could see all of his gums and his teeth. And that's when I noticed, because I didn't even know he was teething, like at this moment. And the teeth had already cut the gums and everything like that. He really is so chill. Like, I did not know the baby was teething at all. You gonna show them? Let's see. Can we see? Yeah. Such a good baby. Yeah. It's crazy because last night I had a dream that he was walking, because he kind of stands up and like balances himself for like 2 or 3 seconds. Oh, sorry, baby. But he's not walking just yet, unless in his walker, of course. Hold on, baby, I dropped something. So in my dream, I'm like, something is going on, because he's kind of like, he sleeps really good. He sleeps the entire night and doesn't wake up till like 9 o'clock in the morning. And I'm like, he's been waking up like at least for like 20 minutes at night each night. What is up? It's because he's teething. That's why. It all makes sense now. And he's been very irritable. It's his nap time, so see y'all later. Ooh. You're in the clouds. Ooh. I was in this exact same place when my camera fell accidentally. So my mom ended up buying a camera herself to let me use, because she's the best, of course. And she's going to get consistent with her content creating journey as well. Now I'm about to open this one and find out if it's a refurbished one or a new one. Fingers crossed that it's a new one. And when you buy it new, this does not come on it. I guess they're like, next time, do right. I mean, so far it looks new, but the packaging, you know, just going through the stages of worry. More ends, more faith begins. I mean, it definitely looks and smells new. It smells like a new camera to me. I think it's new, I don't know though. So I have confirmed. No, it's just, you know, like you said, I had just had the baby. I wasn't into like trying to figure out the camera. But I got a new one. You didn't just have baby. Yes, I did. I got it right before I got it for Christmas. No. because he ordered it around Christmas. I had enough time to record one video. I think that last appointment video, that's when it came. Because I started using it right when I got it. And then I had Jack the next day.
Because we didn't use it at the baby shower.
Yeah, I didn't have it at that time. Yeah, I didn't have it at that time. So it is official. I got a brand new one. Yay! So I just confirmed that if it was refurbished, it would say refurbished somewhere on the box. And it doesn't say it anywhere. So good to go. I was literally going through the stages of grief for a second because I'm like, dang. But I feel so much better now. I'm back in the game. Alright y'all, so I have a lot of videos to finish editing so that I can give my mama her camera and she can learn all she needs to learn about it, and I can use my camera and basically learn some more stuff because it's some things I didn't even know this camera, like the features, didn't even know the camera had. So let's get into it. New content on the way. Mommy is currently studying and Jackson is fighting his sleep. It is 11:30 in the morning and Jack's been up for like 2.5 hours. He woke up at like 9. He's tired right now, but because I'm currently in training, he's like trying to see what's going on. Say hi, Gems. I'm currently fighting my sleep. I have to finish my training. I think it's due by next weekend. Not next weekend, next Tuesday maybe, for taxes. So I'll be completing that, and Jack's like, what is going on? So yeah, let's get into the training. It'd be me wanting to take a nap with Jax when he's ready for a nap, but I got things to do. Mommy got things to do, so I'm just gonna hold him while he naps. Probably nap for 2 hours, and my training is gonna last. I think I have like 7 hours of training. Since I'm technically a hibernator, I finished more than half of my training back in September, and I'm going to do the rest now. So we're gonna get into it, and I'm gonna put Jax down for a nap. And yeah, this is what I see doing my training. Oop, you okay? He's trying to get down. Where are you going? Where are you going, sir? He's like, Mom, how do you know where I'm going? Every time, you know my every move. Y'all, my PJs are so comfy. No, no. You want Mommy to pick you up? Okay, I'm going to pick you up. You biting on it? Thankfully, because I am a hibernator, which means that I come mid-season and things like that, I don't have to do as much training, but I'm required to do 7 hours of training. If I didn't come back during the tax extension time, I probably would have like 20 hours of training to do, and it has to be complete before the end of this weekend. And y'all know I have my Friendsmas party, so I gotta get it done. Anyways, I typically don't show like me working and things like that, but I know a lot of people have questions about what I do, so this is one of the many things I do. I am a multifaceted person, like a multifaceted girly. So yeah, if y'all want to see things that I do a little bit more, let me know, and I got y'all.
Shout out my mucus. Hey, can you know that be my slime? I swear that girl she a 10. Yeah, keep her around. I swear that girl she a gem.